Before I begin my PPT, I would also like to tell you that if you are not aware about astronomy, then first thing first, that what is the meaning of astronomy? And in this regards, I would like to ask a few questions, just 5 questions. The first question: do you agree that sun every day rises exactly? Question number 2. Third question: what is the temperature that is the minimum in the universe? There can be a temperature of millions of degrees, that of us. So what is the minimum temperature in the universe? Goes down to approximately. Okay, you can write approx if you don't know the correct answer, but you must write something. Okay. Question: change of lunar phase is because of, again, change of lunar phase is because of blah blah. Okay, whatever. And the last question: can there be less than 4 directions on Earth? Oh my. So these are very simple 5 questions, and I'll be answering all these 5 questions at the end. So what do we mean by astronomy? Very typical question in everyone's mind. Everyone must be feeling that I know, but sometimes when we look through a telescope, part of astronomy, or going to the space shuttle, can this be part of an astronomy? Or being someone so famous like Sunita Williams, or something like this, which is kind of a flying observatory, can this be part of an astronomy that is there? So, oh my God, what can these be? This is one of the, slide which is showing so many objects that on this one slide only I can speak for 1 week. So many things in one slide. Can we consider this as a part of astronomy? There is a kind of a question that everyone has in their mind. That once upon a time, when there were no scientists on Earth, so-called scientists, what they thought that the Earth is flat and the horizon is having a star-studded curtain. Understand? I'll say the God, hello God, I'm here. I stay in Delhi. Do you recognize me? No. This was a myth, right? If you start walking from Delhi, will you ever reach to horizon? Never. Because let us understand why. He just thought that the Earth is the center of the whole universe, and all the objects, be it sun, be it moon, be it Mars, be it any planet, star, they all revolve around the Earth. From the flat Earth, center of the universe as Earth, they shifted Earth to one side and sun became the center. And then slowly a new theories, new fundamental things, new science, new physics, new chemistry, new mathematics, all brought forward by numerous people. Oh my God. Aeronautics. Why aeronautics? Because human in space cannot go without understanding of that can also be part of astronomy. Oh, communication. Arey sir, why communication? We can talk this way, but now you couldn't listen to me. Why? Because in space you can't listen to each other. Of course, solar energy. Why solar energy? Because we all know that, be it Mars orbiter mission by ISRO, or be it Chandrayaan, be it any rover on the Mars, be it Apollo landing on the surface of the moon, everything requires solar energy, because there are no fossil fuel available to run anything. So they require solar energy that is readily available everywhere. Oh my God, philosophy. Why philosophy? Because philosophy means we dream something. We dream that, okay, tomorrow we are going to Mars. So that is a philosophy. And after a decade or so, we would be landing on Mars. That is science. Right? That means astronomy is everything. Yes, everything. Though this is not our own galaxy, but we all know that we live in a Milky Way galaxy. Name of our galaxy is Milky Way, and it is called a spiral galaxy. You can see the spiral structure that is here. How many planets are there in our solar system? Okay, we are having in our solar system 1 and 3, 13 planets. Wow. Number might be different than what you have written in your paper. Okay, let's go ahead and let's check out who are these 13 people, right? This sun is actually yellow colored sun. There are certain black dots on it. Some people call there are black holes on sun. It's not black hole. It is called, what is it called? This is it, right? The sunspots. It is called sunspot. And sunspots are so huge that sometimes it is even larger than our Earth. The sun is also having atmosphere. And what is that atmosphere called? Corona. Corona means crown. The coronavirus is different and a corona on sun is different. Okay, this corona sometimes ejects so much of the material out. You can see that right now the sun is hindered. It is being, captured in such a way that the flares are only visible. You can see it is larger than even sun. Let's go ahead with our first candidate called Mercury. This Mercury is the first and the smallest of the classical planets. Understand, now I am using word classical planets, right? So as I said that there are 13 planets. Of these 13, 8 are called classical planet and 5 are called dwarf planet, right? So let us begin. We come to the second planet. Which is the second planet? Venus. It is the hottest planet in our solar system. The whole planet is covered with clouds. Not the clouds that we have here with water, but there the clouds are covered with acid. These clouds are made up of sulfuric acid. This is the picture that is taken through different wavelength, means a radio image. This is called the radio image of Venus, where you can see that there are no clouds, but you can see some craters and highland and lowland. Oh, this is our home. Try to find where you live. But this is Africa, so it's not, the place where we live. We live in India. Wow, can you see what is happening? Yes, I can see that there are shooting stars and so many shooting stars. Let me first of all wish, oh my God, meteor shower. So many meteors come, and to enjoy these, there are, multiple meteor showers throughout the year. If the sky is clear, if there is no moon that night, and if that is a meteor shower night, just leave Delhi behind or wherever you are residing. Just leave and go little dark space and you can enjoy this. Okay, sometimes when it is near, you see large. Sometimes it is far, you see small. Okay, so this large and small, how many of you could make out this? None of you. I know that, because we have no time to look at the moon. We have time to write down a message to someone. Hello, can we go for a coffee? Arey, come on, yeah, let's play some game. So stop all this. Sometimes you should also look up there. You should enjoy astronomy also. So let's go ahead. Let's reach to the Mars, because in 2024 there is a probability that we would be landing on Mars. The humans may land on Mars, right? This is our MOM, right? Mars Orbiter mission, which is still working successfully, and we became a country where the first trial we could succeed the orbit. Largest of the planet, Jupiter, right? The first gaseous. I send you all to Jupiter and you feel, oh yay, we are landing on Jupiter, we are landing on Jupiter, and suddenly you become Jupiter. You can't land because there is no land. It's only gas. Oh my God, the most gorgeous of all the planets, Saturn. You can't compare any planet with Saturn because of its beauty. You can see how beautiful pictures are. Let us come to the seventh planet, Uranus. Uranus is very, very weird. How weird? It is not rotating this way, but it is rotating like this, vertical rotation. You can see the rings around it, which is also rotating vertically. And the Pluto. Is this a planet? Is this a classical planet? No, this is a culprit. This Pluto divided the planets into two different categories, classical and a dwarf. So Pluto is a dwarf planet. So the question is, the change of seasons on Earth is due to, the correct answer is one word, tilt. Okay, one word answer is a tilt of the Earth, only the tilt. Okay, third number, minimum temperature in the universe goes down to approximate minus 273 degrees centigrade. Okay, you can't go minus millions. There can be plus millions of degree, but minus temperature can only go to minus 273 degrees centigrade. Fourth one, change of lunar phase is because of orbit, right? Because of the orbit of the moon, nothing else. Can there be less than 4 directions on Earth? Yes, 2 places where there is only one direction. Is it possible? When you stand on the North Pole, anywhere you go south of the Earth. Okay, if you stand on the South Pole, you go anywhere and you have only one direction called north. Wow, see, there are 2 ways in which you get into astronomy. Pure science means, as I showed you, different subjects like physics and chemistry and mathematics, and any one subject you get into it, go up to the doctorate level, and you can definitely uncover the secret on your own. If you are from engineering aspect, if you are going to take up engineering as your base, then you can make some beautiful rockets, or you can have a satellite, or you can create a payloads, or you can innovate a good fuel, or you can innovate so many things, and do remain in touch with astronomy. Okay, by any means be in astronomy. Thank you.